Are you looking for professionals? We specialize in goods transport services for both household and commercial products. Like 1. Packers and movers, household goods shifting, relocation services. 2. Car transportation by car carrier. 3. Bike packing and transportation. 4. Refrigerated vehicles on rent. 5. ODC or Dimensions Cargo, heavy machinery transportation. 6. Office and showroom shifting. 7. Non-running and accidental vehicles breakdown services and flatbed services. 8. Fragile items like laptops, desktop glass items, delicate items, musical instruments, and electronics. Our transportation services are offered with the help of hardworking and dedicated workers and supervisors who understand the importance of timely and safe goods delivery to our clients. Packaging support. Mode by road, air, ship, rail. Services available for local, domestic, international. We ensure safe loading, unloading, and storage of cargo materials by analyzing the best truck types, and we use different types of packaging materials such